So if you're in a place where you've been struggling to make money, like you really need to make extra money, you just don't have a lot, stick around because I'm going to show you exactly how, with only $50, you can make literally thousands of dollars in commissions, like paid out per commission. It's absolutely insane because typically what happens if you want to make money, typically you have to go and purchase a product that cost $1,000, $2,000, or $5,000, or whatever the cost of the product is. That's typically what you have to do. But with this, you only have to pay $50 and you're in position to earn, let me just scroll down, up to $16,500. Now that sounds crazy, doesn't it, right? $16,500 one-time commissions. Well, it's fact, okay? It is a possibility. Not saying everyone is going to go and purchase this product, but it's $50 for God's sake, $50. So, um, as you can see, the different commissions you can earn range in price. So you got $75, $25, $450, $900, $1,350, $2,475, $4,050, and then the big, huge one here, because I thought this one was big. Now we have this one, $16,500. Now you might be wondering, what the heck is this? Like, why are you getting paid so much for so little? And I would totally want to know that as well. So this is advertising. This is part of a system, a completely done for you system that does everything for you. It provides you with leads. So with $50, you're going to get 150 leads. These are real-time phone interviewed leads that AI is going to go and call. We have an AI agent that's going to go call those leads, text those leads, voicemail drop those leads, follow up with the lead, close the leads, onboard the lead, all of it done for you. And the thing is, when people come into the system, they're going to want to purchase advertising. In fact, in this system, within 10 minutes, no, I'm sorry, within an hour, 10% of the people that come into the system, so within an hour, 10% of the people that come into the system, they go and purchase one of these advertising packages, these marketing packages. Why? Because they want to get leads, signups, that kind of thing, right? They want to position themselves to be able to earn extra money. So, one thing for a fact I know when it comes to marketing, when it comes to making money online from home, uh, people will always purchase traffic. And this is no exception. But for $50, and this absolutely blows my mind because forever I've always looked for ways to help people that may not be in the best place financially because I've been there. I know what it feels like to have an opportunity to really go out and make some money that could really make a difference, like right now money to really make a difference. And it's not an easy thing to find. When you typically when we're talking about high ticket commissions, you got to pay more, pay to play. That's just the way it is. And if you don't have $2,000 you can invest, then you're out of the game. You can't play, and you got to do lower ticket stuff that pays very small commissions. So for a person that's in a place where they're really struggling, like they really need to make money now, they don't need to wait 2, 3, 5 years to make anything decent. They need to make it now. This gives them that opportunity because for literally $50, you're in position to earn all these different commissions. Now, and the thing about it too is you can earn multiple. Like it's not a one-time thing. This is unlimited over and over and over again. This can happen. And all you have to do is bring people into this completely automated system, which will actually provide leads and do all that for you anyway. So, uh, there is more to the system. I will say this, you can earn multiple streams of income throughout this system, including this high ticket income. So there's a lot here. There's also a residual commission made from this membership as well. So you can earn residual. That means monthly income coming in month after month after month after month. And you have the opportunity to earn high ticket commissions. Now, let me just explain just a couple more things so you really um, kind of grasp this, okay? You're given leads with the membership. So with this particular membership, you're going to get 150 phone interviewed real-time leads. AI is going to go call leads. We have a phone team, a human phone team that's going to follow up with the leads, that's going to onboard your people, okay? And they're going to train your people. Now, understand this. When they're onboarding them, they are going to encourage them to go purchase one of these marketing packages so they can start getting leads and signups and that kind of thing. So, as I said, we didn't really have like a live onboarding before with the phone team. Now we're going to have a live onboarding, and these people are getting paid commissions to encourage people to come and purchase ad packs so they can earn commissions too. So they have an incentive to do so. So you have AI working for you, you have humans working for you, a phone team, a skilled phone team working for you. And again, I almost feel stupid saying this, $50. $50, okay? Now there are other things you can do, like you can go through and you can purchase the different income streams. You can go through and you can purchase the marketing packages, whichever one you want and participate in that. But at the bare bones, like straight up $50, you're positioned to earn these commissions. You're positioned to earn on all the products within the system. So uh, it's absolutely incredible. It's an incredible opportunity for you if maybe you're tight on money and you just need a way to get ahead. Now, if you allow your limiting beliefs to get in the way, which people tend to do, you will not believe this is true. You will talk yourself out of it. You'll say, oh no, I can't possibly do this. You'll find any reason under the sun why you can't do it. But here's the thing. The truth is, this is real. I've been paid. I got the money in my bank account, okay, with $50 membership. I have more people getting ready to purchase the advertising as well. And this is going to continue going on and on and on because one thing I know, people always purchase traffic, okay? So it's never been easier for you to go out and make big money online than it is now. Because literally $50 gets you in the game. Go find that $50. If you don't have that $50, go find the $50. Go sell something. Go talk to friends into borrowing it, family into borrowing it. Collect cans, mow lawns. I don't know, whatever you got to do, get that $50 because this is going to put you in position to make any of these commissions. You just never know. And here's the thing, you know, a lot of times people have limiting beliefs. They don't believe people are going to purchase anything that costs, a certain amount. Like they have these yeah, I'll just say limiting beliefs. They don't believe it's going to happen. But the truth is it is. It's because it provides a service that people want. So people you think may not have money have money. Like we had a guy that's a truck driver and he purchased this one, which is way more than this. I'll just say that, okay? To purchase that. So you just never know. The whole point here is bring people into the system, let the system do the work for you. You can go advertise on your own. If you're tight on money, I encourage you to go do that. I encourage you to go share this with other people because it's a huge blessing. I don't know too many places. I don't know. In fact, I don't know anything. And I'm sure there's something out there, but I don't know anything. For $50, you could have a $16,500 sale. You have a 1350 sale. I mean, for $50, that's crazy. Anybody like do the math? $50 to even make 75, like you did all day, every day, right? It's like, but that's what we have here. Okay, go to the link in the description to experience it for yourself. You can get a free account. You can see what it's all about. You can start attending our live update calls that we have usually twice a week, where you get to learn everything about what's going on, the vision, meet the creators of the system, literally everything. And you'll have an opportunity, like I said, with $50. And I keep repeating this because I want this to be such an obvious thing for you that you would feel stupid not doing it. That's what I want because that's what it is. $50 and you're in position to earn all these commissions. It's nuts. It's absolutely insane. And I don't see it anywhere else. I've been doing online marketing, making money online since 2012. Okay? I haven't worked a job since 2013 because I've been able to earn online. I have a lot of experience in this area and I've never seen this kind of offer, like where you can do this. Okay, so click that link right in the description and go ahead and get started. You can start for free. Check it out. Like I said, $50 positions you to start earning these commissions. So at bare minimum, that's what I would do. Free is really just to kind of give you a taste, see what it's all about. Yes, you can use the system, but you're going to be leaving all these commissions on the table, plus way more. So find the $50 is my advice. Get started and run because this could absolutely change things for you if you are in a place where you need that to happen. And believe me, I've been there. I know how it feels. And I would give anything to have something like this because I used to say to myself, man, I wish I just had enough money so I could do a high ticket so I could stop making these little teeny tiny commissions that really don't do anything to change my life. That's what I used to always say, you know. Now you have an opportunity for $50. And these, like I said, these can keep coming in and over and over and over and over again. So there you go. Thanks for watching. I appreciate you. See you on the next one.